Hi, my name is Tucker Tire Smoocher, and thank you for accompanying me on my journey through New Mexico, where I will be exploring new sights, smells, objects, plants, and animals. I am a trained professional in nature studies, so do not try this at home, and thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Tucker Tire Smoocher. Today we are in New Mexico, and we are going to be looking for some neat stuff. Probably like a dragon, possibly Komodo dragon. It's just stuff. Alright, let me take you on an adventure. Alright, now if you look at the ground, you will see a whole bunch of like flowers. I like to call them dandelions. Dandelions. You gotta pronounce it the right way, like my grandpa did. Grandpa Ted. Grandpa Ted, I miss you up there, bud. This is for you, taking over the family business. Alright, let's see here. So we got some flowers, neat flowers. Let me take one. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one's not poisonous. That's good. Alright guys, so we got some neat bushes. Oh god! Oh god! Run! 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 Run, Janice! Run! Come on, Janice, get out! Janice! 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 Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Come on, Kelsey! Come on, baby! Come on, Moose! Come on, Moose! Come on! Let's go, girl! Come on! Come on, Moose! Hey guys, I think we're at this house that's been haunted for a while. So what we're gonna do is check it out. The community takes care of it. That's why there's a lot of stuff. It's a community place, but no one really goes anymore because it's haunted, obviously. So I'm just gonna get on it. Janice, why don't you hop it? Why do you open the fence? Alright guys, so we're gonna check out this house right now. Getting really hot. I might go in, go swimming later. Let's go. Oh jeez, in the house. Let's go, Janice. Janice in the house. Oh jeez, alright, let's check out this house. So excited to check this house out. I've been wanting to. Oh jeez. Oh my god. What happened? Oh god. Oh god. Janice, come on. Janice. Oh, spider. Janice, come on. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go, Janice. Janice, come on. Come on, baby. Where's that noise coming from? Come back, let's talk. Oh god. What's wrong? Janice. Not Madonna. We're to call the Ghostbusters. See, Ghostbusters. Story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Currently, right now there's a couple ghosts at this house. So it'd be nice if you could go in. My name's Tucker Tire Smoocher.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Bye. Hello, I'm the ghost hunter. Now I'm here to catch me some ghosts. Yeah, I'm that cool. Yeah. Oh, I see the ghost. I'm gonna kill you, ghost. Go. I'm gonna kill you. I'm killing you. Ha, bye. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.